Okay, today we're going to assemble this metal bed frame. Comes with an instruction booklet, step by step. You're basically just bolting the pieces together. Comes with all the hardware and the Allen wrenches that you need.
Woo!
The different bolt sizes have numbers or letters corresponding to them to help make assembly easier. The parts also have numbers on the ends of them. And this is going to be a twin bed frame. You see I made a mistake there and I bolted those two pieces together, one facing one direction, one facing the other way. There, I flipped it around the right way. Easy mistake to make. And so you just follow the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. Nice thing about this bed frame, it does not require a box spring. So we'll be able to put the mattress directly on the bed frame. On to the next step. We got the two sides bolted together. Now we'll bolt the head and the foot of the frame together to the sides. And right now the bed frame is upside down, of course. If you have a metal bed frame or even a wood bed frame, sometimes called a foundation, and you can feel the frame underneath your mattress, or you feel like there's areas that are not giving you good support, you can add some plywood between the mattress and the bed frame, or some wood shelves, if you will, wood planks stacked side by side on top of your bed frame, and then set your mattress on top of that. I found that works well, gives better back support, more comfortable. So yeah, these here, they have a threaded insert and an Allen bolt that get bolted together. The bottom one you see there, there's a welded nut inside the frame that you install the Allen bolt into. Now we'll bolt on all the cross members. So again, if you find this bed frame doesn't give you enough support or feels uncomfortable, you might want to consider having a piece of plywood cut down to this exact length and width, or some wood boards as a solution. And you can even use self-tapping screws to attach the wood boards or the plywood to the metal frame if you're worried about the wood sliding off or sliding side to side. Put our last cross member on. Just check and make sure all my bolts are tight. And that's it. It comes with these little plastic stops that's supposed to help your mattress from sliding off or sliding side to side. I ended up not using them because I was worried they were going to scratch my daughter's legs, but to each his own. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.